Hi guys, I'm Jason Turner, President of Powershades. We're kind of the new kids on the block here at CEDIA 2019. We've got a lot of new stuff that we're debuting in the booth this year. Primarily we've got our industry first, actually first to the world, Power over Ethernet motor for your shades. It is truly just a single cable, Cat 5 Ethernet, plugs into an industry standard PoE switch. Every motor gets an IP address and that's it. You don't need anything else. We are shipping these motors as of this CEDIA show. Along with the launch of the Power over Ethernet, the PoE motor, we are announcing our partnerships with RTI, with Elan, with Control4, with URC. Also, we do have all of the voice drivers that you're expecting. We've got the Amazon, the Google, even the Samsung SmartThing stuff. We offer a full line of shades, fully fabricated. We are turnkey. We also offer outdoor shades. We do up to 23 feet wide in the outdoor. Give you a little bit of an idea of how the shades look and work. Super quiet. We do both commercial, we do residential. We do a lot of cool stuff with it. We've got a bunch of solar powered shades. We've got battery powered shades. We've got a lot of good stuff to see at the booth here. CEDIA 2019, come by and see us or check us out at powershades.com. Thanks guys.